Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. So many of you know that for a good few weeks now, I have been promoting this course about saving our Iman called How to Save Our Iman in Today's Climate. According to a survey in America by Pew Research, 23% of Muslims born into Islam no longer identify themselves as Muslim. Now, if that's not a crisis of faith, I don't know what is. And honestly, if the same survey was done in the United Kingdom or any other place in the West for that matter, I wouldn't be surprised if things turned out to be the same or similar or perhaps even worse. So what can we do about it? The solution is actually for everyone to understand what Islam has to say about evolution, what Islam has to say about the idea out there in the atheistic world that religion is dead, that God is dead, that we don't need religion anymore, that science answers all of our questions, that science explains reality better than religion does. It's really to address all of this that I've launched this course, How to Save Our Iman in Today's Climate, where I hope, inshallah, that in 4 sessions that I will be able to introduce faith in a way to the average Muslim that will address these questions, and inshallah that will equip both the person who is convinced with the answers to be able to articulate faith in a better way, to be able to engage in conversation with their children, with members of the community, with their friends and family in a way that will make them feel validated about their faith and about being a mu'min, being a believer. And for people who have questions, people who are wondering, do I believe in the right thing and so on, it will answer many of their questions. So in January, 4 Saturday mornings, and then there is an option to do some afternoon sessions as well. You see that on the website. 4 Saturday mornings, all of the lectures will be recorded. So people who for whatever reason cannot attend a lecture live will be able to catch up with a recording. The idea is, inshallah ta'ala, for this course to give people confidence in their faith, to make people feel validated as believers, as well as equip them to be able to address questions and challenges against faith out there that are flying around, that have affected so many people, that almost a quarter of Muslims have left or are considering leaving Islam. So I look forward to seeing you on the course, inshallah ta'ala. Look up the details on the website, www.mawaridlifestyle.com/courses. And I hope that this is going to be the beginning of a movement to try to tackle this crisis that we're in. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.